Good morning. I guess I'll go ahead and jump right into it. 2003 Infiniti M45. New arrival. It's not the best looking thing. Nissan Infiniti seem to be kind of off the wall with the Infiniti styling for these. Personally, I'm not a fan. I've never got the pleasure to drive one. However, I've heard with the larger engine options, they're not exactly slow, but plastic wood, foam pad on the seat, because that seat is just destroyed. Ugh. Glove box lid is destroyed. The leather on the steering wheel falling apart, and this car's only got about 170,000 miles on it. Heat and cooled seat buttons are located right there on the side of the seat, which I don't think I like that either. You know, if you're a heavier set person, you're always going to be bumping into those. Small navigation screen up there. I don't like the positioning of that either, but that's, once again, I don't own it, so it really doesn't matter. Tilt and telescoping steering wheel controls. I wonder if those are as bad as Acura. And for all the buttons and switches that you have on the steering wheel and around the seat, you really don't have anything on the door but your memory, seat memory, and power window controls. They also have this the pillarless door. It's just open glass. And I don't know how I feel about that either, because that always makes the glass more flimsy. I don't feel like you always get such an airtight seal with it either, but once again, I didn't buy an Infiniti. These wheels, I don't know if these are even original. No, they are original. We got the logo on that one. Without the logo on the front like this one, it looks like cheapo rent and roll wheels. Got a 4.5 liter V8. Once again, don't know. I'd like to think, knowing Nissan, it's probably a peppy little motor. And from what I read in the 3 minutes before I made this, they were, but I don't know anything else about it. This one looks like it's had a terrible coolant leak. If you look around the radiator cap right here, the fill cap, you can see this looks like dust. That's where rusty water has overflowed. You've also got it all over here, which probably means it's spewing out of the cap because it's hit everything over here. You pull this back, you've got rust forming in the strut towers. You've got bolts broken off in the radiator support for the headlights. That one snapped off. I bet you that one will snap off if you tried to get it off. Let's see. Yep, got that rust going through right here. Yeah, it doesn't look too good down in there. What's our oil look like? Yeah, it's full of decently clean oil. That's a decent sign, I guess. Maybe it's just got cooling system issues. I can't get the dipstick back in there. You can just have it. I don't fucking care. Yeah, 2003 or 4, I don't remember what I said. It is a 3. That's what the sticker on the windshield says. It's full of crap. Seems to be how most of these auction cars are coming to us now for scrap. Check that out. The door is really light feeling. You would expect a much heavier door. Even without the pillar across the top, I would have just assumed that it would have been. Feels like you're opening the door on like a Toyota Echo or something. Alright, I'm done playing with the door. Little ashtrays. They do come out, but you got to put your fingers all the way down in the ashtray to get it out. So if you fill that thing up, that's pointless. It doesn't have any decals on the speakers, so I don't even know if it's got like a real sound system or if this is just some Cheapo thing is full of crap too, which is stereotypical of most of these cars. There's a planner book. Woodbridge, 2015. Somebody's having a little drinky poo. Must have been Mr. Leahy's car. And in case you're wondering, we do not have a key, because why would we? Once again, unless you were going to send us a key or pay to have one made, we're not going to do that. There's a decent looking umbrella. You need an umbrella? Coat hanger. Is that another tie? No, it's a suit jacket. A whole bunch of medicine bottles. I'm not gonna touch those. Looks like that's broke right below the sunroof. Does this even open anymore? Oh, it does. Oh, that looks like it's a two-piece thing. It is. There's a penny in it. Look at that. 2016. Got a phone charger. That's a cassette player. It says Bose on it, but the door speakers and stuff don't say Bose. So maybe the cassette player is just made by Bose. I don't know. But we don't have keys, so I can't start it. We're not gonna get keys because there's no point in spending a couple $100 on a set of keys for a car that we don't even know if it runs. And if we got the key and it didn't run, then there's just a big waste. It also looks like it takes one of those key fobs that hook in there, not just a key by itself. It's like one of the whole fobs that slide into there. I could be wrong. Oh, I'm sticking to the tape on the armrest. Ugh. That's some nasty stuff. I'm gonna go wash my hands now. But anyway, I can't open the trunk either. Don't have a battery. I'm not gonna go get a battery. I don't want to know. 2003. I don't even see a lot of these on the road here. I don't know. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think. I just think the styling's kind of strange, but that's personal preference. But anyway, figured I'd let you guys see it real quick while I had a minute. We're doing cleaning. We're removing trees and clearing out cars and all this stuff over here, so. But anyway, thanks for watching. You can drop a comment down below and let me know what you think about the Infiniti M45. And don't worry, for those of you who are not a fan, it'll be crushed very soon. Well, technically it'll be processed and we'll put it in the field, we'll sell parts off of it, and then we'll crush it. So, you need parts for an 03 M45. We got them, but no keys.